Hello YouTube, this is Shrija and welcome back to my channel. It has been a long time since I made a video and I really wanted to make a video in the month of October, but given my birthday, puja and Halloween, I was super busy. And given that this is November and I have basically no holidays at all, so I decided this is the perfect month to make a video. Now coming back to the video, I have decided that I'm going to dedicate 3 videos to my birthday. So there are going to be 3 segments. This is the first segment. In this video, I'm going to be talking about all the books that I got just before my birthday, on my birthday, and something extra special. Okay. So, and my second video, I'll tell it over here, it's alright. And the second video will be all the books that I got from my Flipkart sale. So, in a way, you'll also get to know what I got from my Flipkart sale. There was a big billion days sale that happened. And the third video, the third one, which is going to be super special because it's going to be an unboxing of a book box which you, I bet, have never seen. I have never seen this unboxing of this particular book box. You, I can guarantee, have never seen. So stay tuned for all the videos and stay tuned for this one as well because I'm going to be talking about a lot of books I got. Let's go. So these are all the books that I got from my brother and my sister, and for future reference, my brother is actually my sister's boyfriend, but he's more of a brother to me and a son to my mother. So let's get down to all these books. Now I got most of them from Amazon and 2 of them from Flipkart. So I'm going to keep all the links below, okay, because last time I remember I did not, and a lot of people told me that they would rather prefer if the links were given, so I'm going to try and do that this time. Okay, so the first book that I got is this one. It is A Monster Called by Patrick Ness. I think it's a series, it's a trilogy, and as you know, my birthday is on 12th October, and literally in the month of October there is another major holiday apart from pujas. It's Halloween, and I love Halloween. It's a little weird, but I get more excited for Halloween than my own birthday. And don't get me wrong, my birthdays are always very special. But it's a weird feeling. It's a sensation that I get during the Halloween time, that the cold sets in. It's all about Halloween. It's all about horror. That makes me really fall in love with this festival alone. So that's why I decided that I really need an addition or additions to my horror collection, because I read all the horror books that I personally had. So I believe that some horror books needed to be part of that. So I decided this has to be it. I've seen loads of booktubers rave about this book and I really wanted to try it. I saw another book, it's called Release by Patrick Ness, and it's only $200 in Amazon. I also put the link for that in the description, you can check it out. So I'm now going to give detailed summaries of I'm not going to read out the blog or something because there are tons of books I need to talk about. But all I can say is that I've not read it yet, but by the time this video will be up, I probably would have read this by then. Let's see. Okay, so this is the first book that I got. It's a horror genre. The next one that I got is this one. It's The Bad Beginning, which is the first book in a series of unfortunate events. If I'm not wrong, there are 13 books in this series, and I saw Drinking by My Shelf read all the 13 books, and I've seen even Read by Zoe possess the whole series, and I was so tempted to read it that I decided that again, Halloween, need to have it. So I got this one. It's by Lemony Snicket. I thought of getting the whole series, but then I realized that it's a different feeling to read one and then just immediately browse for the other book and then again read, and the whole process really gets me very excited. So that's the second book that I got. I've heard again great things about this book. The third book that I got, okay, this book I wanted for my last birthday, but instead I got another book of the same author, which was Carry On. So I guess by now you know. It's Fangirl by Rainbow Rowell. More than Carry On is more of a fantasy fiction book. This one has, of course, it's also fictional, but it's a lot different than Carry On, and I really wanted to read Fangirl. As you can see, the cover is still on the book, so I haven't read it. I am keeping it for the later half of November and the beginning of December, because when the cold sets in, I really want to cozy myself with a blanket and I want to read all these cute stories. So this is one. The next book that I got is the third book in the Lunar Chronicles series. It's Cress. It's Cress by Marissa Meyer. I begun this Lunar Chronicles series a year ago, and I love this series. It's not like I don't love this series, okay? I loved Cinder a lot. I really liked Scarlet, not as much as Cinder. And I really want to keep going, but for some reason, I don't know why, I just take so long to buy the next book in the series that this time I've decided that in my birthday, I need to have this book. I also went for Winter, but I got this from Flipkart, by the way. So I went about to buy it from Flipkart, but at that time when I bought it, it was out of stock, so I ended up just getting the third book, the penultimate book in the series, which is Cress. But there's also Stars Above and Fairest, if I'm not wrong, added to the series. But this was the name, and it's pretty thick, as you can see. And people have said that this book is by far the best in the whole series. So I'm actually excited to read this out of all the ones that I have read, which is just 2. It's okay. Okay, so the next book that I'm gonna talk about, and which is the last book my sister and my brother gifted. It's the Throne of Glass. It's the first book in the Throne of Glass series. It's by Sarah J. Maas. I thought of getting the Coat of Thorns and Roses series, but then I decided that I want to read a series which she has written before that particular series, and people have said amazing things about this. It's about a female assassin who gets ultimately caught, and she has been offered a deal, and if she takes the deal, what's the consequence of that? 2 amazing things: a female assassin and a story which leaves us, a blurb that leaves us in an amazing cliffhanger. So I think it combines to make an amazing, impactful story, and a lot of people really love this. Most of the books that I get, apart from Amazon or Flipkart, the ones that I get from any form of trade fair or book fair, I usually take them out of sheer reading the blurb. But the other books I get from Amazon and Flipkart, I usually get it through recommendations from BookTube or Bookstagram. So most of the books that you saw are actually recommendations from BookTube. So even the Throne of Glass is a recommendation from BookTube. I really don't remember whose channel was it, but I believe many booktubers have recommended it. So that's why I had to get it. And the last book, it has been gifted to me by my boyfriend's mom, means auntie, and she knows I am a huge psychological thriller fan, okay? But she really didn't want me to get a book with gory stuffs in it. She wanted to gift me something which is very valuable, priceless, something that changed me and helped me grow and stuff. So she gifted me the one book that I have been wanting to take for actually 3-4 months. And my very close friend, she's also a booktuber, she's also a bookstagrammer, sorry, she just purchased it. It's this cute. It's Ikigai. It's the Japanese secret to a long and happy life. This book has been raving on BookTube, Instagram, especially in the Indian community. I've seen, even on Facebook, I've seen people literally posting about how helpful this book has been, etc, etc. Many of my juniors also love this book a lot, so I decided to actually read and see what the hell it is about. And I'm so excited. As you can see, the wrapper has not been peeled off, which means I've not read it yet, and it's true. I am meaning to read this. I am reading other books at the current moment. I'm going to tell you all about it. But yeah, and it's a hardcover. Can we just take a moment to appreciate that it's a hardcover? I love hardcovers. Okay, I agree that paperbacks are easier to carry and they are sort of easier to handle, but then again, the beauty of a hardcover in your hand is a different whole level feeling. So thank you, and also thank you to my sister and my brother if they see the video and see that I didn't thank them. So thank you. Okay. So those are all the books that I got from my brother and my sister and from auntie. Now we're going to move on to all the books that I got just before my birthday, and if the list is not so long, trust me, I'll show you in a second. So if you would have figured out by the blank pages, you would have noticed that there are 2 hardcovers, and I'm so happy. I really was I was lacking in the hardcover department on my shelves. There are so many paperbacks. I really want to adorn my shelf with more hardcovers. So I got 2 hardcovers and I cannot be any happier. It is Amelia Fang and the Memory Thief. This is, I think this is the third book. Is it the third book? Let me check. Yeah, it is the third. Okay, if you can see, beyond. You can see the lights are obstructing your view probably, but there are 2 books. Those are the Amelia Fang series, the first 2 books in the series. This is the 3rd book, and this is, trust me, I've already read it. This is by far the best till I've read, of course. Those 2 were amazing. This one is beyond amazing. I loved every second of it, and I have to show you. Just look at these illustrations. These are beautiful. I don't even. Okay. One pet peeve I have is people who hold my book and then do this. Okay, see, I can't even do it. That's why I'm not even able to show you guys properly the illustration, which is so beautiful. It's because I have a problem with, the spines. I don't always have full confidence over, so I don't usually properly open my books, and everybody makes fun of me for that. Anyway, so I bet you saw the illustrations and all. It's super pretty, and the story was absolutely epic. I think I've reviewed, if not, I have journaled and I've reviewed on this book. Okay. So this is one of them that I got. The next book that I got, it's this beauty. It's Wishes by B.E. Schwab. Naya Reads and Smiles is one of my favorite YouTubers after Read by Zoe, along with Read by Zoe actually. They both are amazing. So Naya Reads and Smiles has literally advocated for this particular book. She has said such good things about Wishes and B.E. Schwab herself that I just had to pick this up. That drew me to the book, and it's very enchanting and different. Also, a little note. V.E. Schwab. When V.E. Schwab writes under this particular pen name, it means this is supposed to be an adult fiction. When she writes under the pen name of Victoria Schwab, it automatically becomes a young adult fiction. So this was one. Like I just said about the fact, this particular one is a young adult fiction. This is A City of Ghosts in the hardcover edition, if you can't. And this is the first book in the duology. There's also a second book, and I have read this one as well, and it is amazing. Absolutely, the writing, the font size, everything, and the storyline, you can understand it's a young adult, a little bit more middle gradish I felt, okay. But the storyline was so well written, it was so well thought of, that I really vibed to this book, and I read it during the Halloween time only, and I loved it. I'm gonna be very honest with you. If you want to read a very light-hearted Halloween book, a horror book in general, pick this one up. It is absolutely fabulous. You would fall in love with the characters as well. I did. And there's an Indian featuring in this book, by the way. Half Indian, half British. Okay. The last book that I got is this one. Now, this is Darren Shan BEC. I don't know if you are supposed to say Beck or you're just supposed to say BEC, so I'm just gonna stick to what I know, BEC. Correct me if I'm wrong actually. And I don't have the series in the correct order. I started with the 5th or the 6th series, and this is the 3rd series, the 3rd book in the series. It's because the 2nd series, the prices goes up to 10,000, and also because I already started with the 5th, I don't mind shuffling, and it's not like it will be hard to keep track. It won't be. So that's why I just picked this one up, and it was on sale. I got it for the hardcover. I got it for 215 bucks, and this was another gift card that was sent to me by my boyfriend. So thank you. So these are all the books that I got just before my birthday. So those were all the books that I got on my birthday and just before my birthday. So that's a wrap, and stay tuned for my next video and the next video as well, because the birthday book haul has not yet ended. I wish it never ended, but it's okay, I'm not going to be greedy. So stay tuned, and till then, like, share, subscribe, and also comment if you want to see more, if you got some suggestions, and if you like my video, just tell me about it, let me know. Stay happy, stay blessed. Bye.